I always want more. Every time I do something, I'm like, it could be bigger, it could be shinier, it's not enough glitter, it should be pinker, it should have been brighter, it could have hung from the ceiling. I don't know, there's always something I always want more. The mistakes are just as important as everything else. So even when they're a mistake, it's an accident, that's the whole point, and I just keep painting on it. I was becoming more and more obsessed with the splatters that went off of the canvas, and then there would be like a corner on my wall with splatters all around it in this empty corner, and I was like, I want that on a canvas. So then I put a canvas behind the painting I was painting on, and then I would paint multiple paintings on top of that, and then there were drips on the floors, so then I put a canvas on the floor, and then it was soaking through the canvas, so then I put another canvas on the floor, and then I just started only painting on the floor, and I was just literally like throwing paint around. And I think it's exciting, and sometimes I even walk into my own studio and I'm like, oh my God, I love this. It's so exciting in here. So my goal in making this is to bring that out in people. I want adults to be like, oh yeah, I love glitter. It's not just for little kids. I want people to find their little inner kid. The city itself, LA, and the art scene that I've been a part of in LA since I've gotten here has really influenced a lot of this. The fabric has been the only other thing that's given me the same kind of joy that the color of paint does. Most of the sequins are all found scraps out of the scrap bins at the Fashion District. It's like heaven. I've never seen anything like it. Every kind of glitter and sequiny fabric you can find. The CGU MFA program is really special in the space that we have and the freedom of the program and how much we're just encouraged to work as much as we can. I've definitely thrived off of the community environment here at CGU. We're all just kind of together, we work side by side, we're here late, and I'm a really social person and I like that social aspect in the program. We have huge studios and we have these magnificent gallery spaces that we get to use for ourselves for our thesis show, but we get some practice along the way doing group shows in here. Entering a graduate program, you need to be completely open to letting yourself change. And that just came for me with a lot of painting. I just painted and painted and painted until I was painting this, until I was painting that, and it just happened. And I made a lot of work and it got me here, and I'm very happy with it.